Mama, today I have learnt water lesson part 2. You can ask me your quiz.
Yes, I am ready with the quiz questions. Don't you think water is so special liquid?
Yes, very.
Then you tell me why the water is called universal solvent.
It can dissolve a variety of substances in a little or more extent.
Yes, water can dissolve so many solids, liquids and gases.
Yes.
So it is called universal solvent.
Okay, Mama.
Now name two solids which rapidly dissolve in water.
Sugar and salt.
Yes. Now tell me what are insoluble substances with examples.
The substances which do not dissolve in water. Example are sand, oil and mud.
Yes. The fourth question is when a soluble substance is mixed in water, what is formed?
Solution is formed. In water is solvent and salt is solute.
Very good. What is a solvent then?
A liquid which dissolves other substances is a solvent. Examples are water, benzene, kerosene.
Yes. Now, what is a solute then?
A substance which dissolves in liquid is a solute. Examples of these are common salt and sugar.
Now, tell me which are the two types, major types of solutions?
Unsaturated solutions, it has less amount of solute, and saturated solution, it has a large amount of solute.
Okay, you take an example of salt solution, which is an unsaturated solution. If you add 1 spoon of salt in water, it is unsaturated solution. If you add one by one, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons of salt in 1 glass of water, stir well, heat well until the maximum amount of salt is dissolved, then it is saturated solution. Got it? Okay. It has got high amount of solute. Now tell me, to enhance the formation of a solution, what can we do or what can be done?
Solute and solvent must be capable of mixing
With each other. Okay. Then by providing,
high temperatures,
yes, by continuously,
stirring it,
very good. By making,
fine powder of solute.
yes, for example, if you powder the salt and add to the water, it will dissolve fast. If you powder the sugar finely and add to the water, it will get dissolved fast. Now we will do an activity. You will love it. Classify whatever I say into a soluble and an insoluble substance.
Okay.
Sugar,
Sugar, soluble,
petrol,
insoluble,
insoluble, citric acid,
soluble,
milk,
soluble,
boiled egg,
not soluble,
fruit juice,
soluble,
oil,
not soluble,
rice,
not soluble,
plastic,
not soluble,
nail,
not soluble,
hair,
not soluble,
egg before boiling,
not, no,
egg before boiling,
not soluble,
completely soluble, partially soluble. Yes. Cement,
not soluble,
yes. Baking soda,
soluble,
very good. Yes, now Name two types of impurities with examples.
Soluble impurities dissolve in water. Examples of it are salts.
Yes, then
Then chalk and sand.
which kind of impurities are they?
Insoluble impurities do not dissolve in water.
Okay. Next question, shall I move?
Yes.
If the water is filtered using muslin cloth, a very fine fibered cloth, what kind of impurities get separated?
Insoluble impurities.
Hmm. If the sand is dissolved in water, you can filter it with the help of muslin cloth, or even you can use filter paper. Name filtrate and the residue in the above experiment. If you are filtering, name the filtrate.
The clear liquid water which passes through the filtered paper or muslin cloth is filtrate.
Yes.
The solid impurities left on the paper are called residue.
Yes. What is sedimentation then? After filtration, we will do sedimentation, no?
The process of setting down of heavy impurities at the bottom of the water.
Yes. Then you tell me what is decantation?
Removing the clear liquid from the top of the sediment.
Yes, without disturbing the bottom of the sediment. If you disturb, what happens to the
It
sediment?
will come all up again.
Yes, it will get spread into the water. Now tell me, how do you get the pure water separated from the soluble impurities in the solution?
Distillation.
Yes, by distillation, you will get water as well as the residue also. Now, if you have to get the salts alone, you don't need the water, then which process you will conduct? Which process?
Evaporation.
Yes, water escapes. You will get only salt crystals left in the evaporating dish. Now tell me, why do a stone sinks in water?
Because the stone is heavier than water.
Yes. Why do a wooden cork floats then?
Because it is lighter than water.
Yes. So if it is lighter, it will float. If it is heavier,
It will sink.
yes. If you have to separate the impurities which float, you have to skim it off from the top layer of the water body. If it is a heavier one, you will make it to undergo sedimentation.
Okay.
Settle down at the bottom. Okay, good. You have understood so many things about water, no? Keep it up. Very good.